A company sells donuts. They incur a fixed cost of $25,000 for rent, insurance, and other expenses. It costs $0.25 to produce each donut. Write a linear model to represent the cost C of the company as a function of X, the number of donuts produced. Find and interpret the y-intercept. The linear equation is the equation of the form y equals mx plus b, but using this c as the function notation, we have c of x equals mx plus b. M is the rate of change. It is the cost per donut. And so, in this case, m is 0.25. B is the initial value. In this case, the initial fixed cost, which is $25,000. And so the equation that we're looking for is C of x equals 0.25x plus 25,000. And that is part A. For part B, find and intercept the y-intercept. The y-intercept occurs when x equals 0, so we simply replace x with 0 to find the y-intercept, and it will give us 25,000. When x equals 0, y equals 25,000. What does it mean in this situation? It just simply means that if we were to sell 0 donut, then the cost would be 25,000. And so in a sentence, this means if we sell 0 donut, none at all, the cost of the company is 25,000. That is not really surprising because this 25,000 is the fixed cost. This is the cost that we have to pay regardless of how many donuts we produce. And then the additional cost depends on the number of donuts we produce after. Specifically, $0.25 for each donut, so $1 for every 4 donuts produced. But this is the fixed cost or the initial value.